soft walk round on myself. You know. Well, soft walk round on myself. Aye? Why is that, mate?
Because it's a private building and I'd appreciate if you wouldn't point it out.
Oh. It's basically cameras all around there watching me, you know that, don't you?
Yeah, because it's private property.
It's private property, I'm not allowed to film.
Public walking into our land.
What makes you think I'm actually filming?
Because you're pointing it directly at me and that's a stability.
Yeah, but look, if sort of do that, it'd still be the same thing, if you know what I mean. I said it's only a camera, mate.
Okay.
It's only a camera.
Stop pointing at me.
Aye?
Stop pointing at me. I'm not giving you permission to film me.
Aye?
Neither anybody around me giving you permission for you to film.
Well, it's a basically publicly accessible building.
It's not a
Are you
public
security here?
No, but
Because you look like a cleaner to me.
I am a cleaner, but I've been working here for 4 years and know my stuff. It's not a public building, it's a private building. Stop filming.
Is it a private building? I didn't know that because it's a publicly accessible, isn't it? So I just presumed I could just.
You're invited in to shop.
Yeah.
Right?
Which I'm going to do some shopping, yeah. Of course I am, yeah.
Don't do some filming.
Oh, I know
That's
that.
not what it's for.
I know.
Right. Stop pointing at me and put it away.
So it's not even running. It's not even running.
It's pointing at me.
Aye?
It's pointing at me.
I know. So it's just in case, you know, with these
Just in case
security
what?
and stuff, they
Just
might
in case
end
what?
up
There's a camera
attacking
there,
you.
camera there.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Camera there.
Yeah, exactly.
Wherever
So we're all
you come in,
being
it's
watched.
free on you.
Yeah, no, exactly, yeah. Well, I'm not here to cause trouble. I'm just here to point out the fact that, you know, I'm not doing an illegal activity, if you understand what I mean. It's not legal, I promise you I wouldn't do
on
it.
private premises without authorisation from the management. If you had authorisation from the management, fine, but you don't.
No, fair enough, well, I'll walk on then.
Right, cheers.
Even though my camera wasn't even rolling, I just wanted to see if I'd get a reaction, and I got a reaction. Shame I didn't film it. I should have filmed it, shouldn't I? Aye? Of course I did. Triggering, I told you. I don't know what it is with people.